ever wondered how people create quick and easy handouts for their PowerPoint presentation? Let me show you how to use the built-in option in PowerPoint. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am with a presentation that I've already created, and I know it's not exactly how we want to do things today with printed handouts, but sometimes it can be quite useful. The really nice thing is that PowerPoint has this option completely built in. So all I need to do is go to File, Export, and you can see here at the bottom, Create Handouts. And what's nice is that this is going to become a Word document. So let's click Create Handouts. And now I get a choice, what type of handouts do I want? You need to choose what's going to be best for your specific needs, but we've got notes next to the slide. Now this does assume that you have got notes. You can see I do on this one. That's your speaker notes. So do you want those printed out? Maybe these are handouts for you to make life easier. Blank lines next to slides. The nice thing about this is it means that your attendees can actually write their own notes, and they get the lines there to make life a little bit easier. Notes below the slides or blank lines below the slides. The difference between these two sets of options is the size of the slide. So the items below the slides means that it's going to be a larger slide image, one per page, whereas when it's next to it, you get about 3 per page. How big an image and how many pages do you want created? And then finally, we've got the outline, which is going to give you just the text. When it comes to handouts to give to your attendees, I'd recommend not the outline, unless this is something that people should pretty much be aware of. So I'm going to choose blank lines next to slide, which is one that I actually do prefer. And you can see it says when it's adding to slides, what do I want to do? Do I want to paste everything in? And it's a static option. Or do I want to paste the link? Well, ideally you've done this after your presentation is finalized, so you don't have to come back and do this again and again. So I generally just choose paste. But if you're using this as a way to keep a track of yourself, then you might prefer paste link, especially if you haven't finished finalizing the presentation slides yet. So let's click OK. This is going to think. Word will start up, and if I switch to it, you can see it's starting to do that for me. And there it is. I've got 3 slides per page, and I've got the lines already entered, and you can see it simply has added them in, and I've got 3 pages in total. I can now save this. Obviously, it's a Word document. I can edit it, make changes if I want to, or simply print this out. A really quick and easy way to create handouts. If you're curious, let me go back in and let me export and let me choose other options. I'm going to do notes below slides. It's going to again create a new file for me. There we go. And you can see I have now got a slide per page with the notes, my speaker's notes that I've typed in. Found this tip useful? Then please do like the video and remember to subscribe and click that notification bell as more videos are posted. I'll see you next time.